Yo, what up guys? Happy good. Yeah man. Mazizandani ya like aditoba obri wa mangenge. So yeah man, sorry ndimonisa chipato changa cho biponi ngotamba. So yeah man, ever since enda bya venda pa dzobyanga manda oshumiwa ro oba no gua madindi manji opata ndikwamba ro shumwa ngandira kama zonga manda. And I want to say thank you to our photographer. Thank you to industrial shanyama oshumwa ngandira kama zonga manda. Rono shuta interview nzukataru zvino and there's still more to be shot. Rono shuta interview ya Galinkuta, ya Mickey Black, rono shuta interview ya Max Saga. Max Saga no warandigaga ngozuwana. Una interview ya Davina we spoke ikoda. Na interview na the Real Palisa. We have a lot of interviews coming, but then on that one, I'm gonna comment with your artist and interview. You can comment on that mention and papasi because I've tried inboxing Mizo, but unfortunately busy Kongwana and numbers not the Mizo. And I understand also because I think una interview na kuvazi na pena the baka so I feel like they attended on the feminine, but if ndam one ngai shooter then I drop as ya ba mapeso ngange like I need more interviews sazundi venda. I think in the Navy Blue ndo zama kwama Razike maybe next week ndo muita naye. So yeah man, the interviews go down. The person I want also most in the Ramsey, but no zamesa of vachenda to meet interviews better. But yeah man, I want you guys to comment with the person that you want me to try. Just mention them. So mention up and ambori. Just mention them. Then the sun in the moon. Yeah man, the interviews are coming. We're back, man. We are back.